In kaka jakom mar budget, ang'o miparo ni jopiny ywak ni gionge gi pesa? Kata sani jonyuol ok nyaka tero nyithindo sikul.
Well, adiera mantie ni since COVID, economy osebedo kan gi challenges. COVID noketho economies, okra marwa kende, noketho economies mang'eny. So, nitie kaka wang'eyo kaka pesa dhi ni jopiny. Achiel kuom ways mwamesha go kaka pesa dhi ni jopiny en kwarango credit flow to the private sector. Adwa mi example like in the last year until about December. Credit my banks miyo businesses, private sector it went up to negative 70%.
Mogi megi hola ok
onge hola mane dhi mbele i economy.
Nikech ji ok nyal chulo bill, nikech nitie joma ikawo geche ji, ikawo ute ji daosi, waseneno ohala iloro te. Ere kaka chenro ni dhigi
gima notimore ndong' nang'isi ni economy COVID noketho economy, businesses mang'eny no collapse. Koro ing'e ni kani holo pesa for example to business ni collapse, ing'e ni you need money mondo i-restart go. To ok inyal restart immediately nikech pod ipimri, ineno. So gino nomiyo banks ok ne nyal be commit more money. Koro banks ocha miyo mana sirikal pesa nikech ing'e ni pesa mani economy, consumers mag pesa gin en government gi private businesses. So because of COVID, kata mana sirikal be noholo too much money. Nikech the tax succession tax revenue nicha onge. So sirikal be ne kawo pesa. So until December, that tables has turned. From November to December, credit ochako to private sector from negative 72 to positive 20. So it is going up. What do I want to chop about? Kuchopo positive 70, for example. Tiboneno ka pesa ngenye economy. Pesa ngenye economy. So we are also addressing it in this way. Pending bills. Pending bills was a big problem for businesses. Tijo mangenye wano supply sirikal toko chulgi. Especially jo magero barabara. Kata other people matima normal supplies. So again, samanja sirikal odonjo, sirikal ne manyo pesa manyalo chulo go pending bills. For example, what do we example ma barabara? Again, there's a time maonge contractor waneni barabara tol. So nyaka ne watim securitization of fuel levy. And ing'eyo that's a debate mobro wacho kodi. What securitize revenues mag sirikal now mondo gi team development projects. Sani mondo kikwa wabed gi more losses. Nikech ing'eyo sama contractor okichulo to bro eno dhi court. To court wacho ni sirikal breach contract. Koro court be chako miye award, miye more money. Again, we are in a legal system marwa is so tight, you cannot refuse. So ne wafwenyo ni pesa ma court award contractors the suppliers of government is too much. Mokwanya rito. That's why kawan revenues ma project ma in the next 5 years. We were youth person, we team security to a youth person, to achul all these things, we jumpstart economy. So for example,